What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm sharing best butter cookie. It's gonna be 3 ingredients butter cookies you can ever find. So let's get straight into the video. So here I have butter right here. These are the 2 regular butter without the salt. So we will add 1 whole stick right in our mixer. So here goes the one, so here goes the second one. So the butter is in, you will get rid of the paper. Now friends, we will add the sugar. I'm using the light brown sugar. So light brown sugar goes in, and it has some dark brown sugar as well. So here we will set up our mixer and turn on the mixing. We have to mix this mixture until it's a fluffy paste. Take at least, I guess, 5 minutes for the mixer to mix it pretty well, the sugar and the butter. So it's been 5 minutes of mixing. We will turn off the mixer. So this is the paste, guys. This is the butter, the brown sugar paste. That's how it's gonna be. So here now we will add 2 cups of all-purpose flour right in there. And here goes the number 2. We will run the mixer. So as you guys can see, it's forming a dough kind of texture. That's what we need. So this is the mixture, guys. It should be like this, like doughy. Now we will take out this mixture and put it right here on the wax paper. So here goes. Make sure you take out all the extras right in there, and we will take out those things, the mixer blades, and we will put it right on the side for now. And here goes the butter, the brown sugar, and the flour. So normally you can add baking soda to it a little bit if you want your cookies to be puffy, but I'm not adding, and I would suggest don't add the soda. So here just form it like a dough paste, a complete firm dough. So with the help of the hands, all the clumsy part should not be there, and it should form a straight rectangular dough. Wow, my hand smells yummy. It has the butter, it has the brown sugar. The reason I'm using brown sugar, they say brown sugar is much healthier and it has its own sweet texture and flavor to it. So with the help of this knife, I'm making sure all the edges should be equal and straight. It's done. We will fold the butter paper just like this right on top. So right now it's a one giant candy. And so now friends, you have to refrigerate this butter cookie dough for 30 minutes in the fridge. So I will see you guys after 30 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes, and here is our beautiful butter big cookie right now. So yeah, it's more firm now, it's more on the place. Yeah, looks perfectly fine. So in the meantime, while I was waiting for it, I have set up this baking tray. I have some foil in it. So now we will just slice our big cookie into a smaller portion. They should not be super thick or not should be super thin. Try to make it all even. So here you guys, this is after 25 minutes. Our cookies looks perfectly done. So we will let it rest at least for 15 to 20 minutes so the cookies get cooled down. To do the process, the cooling process a little bit faster, we will pick up the cookie, we will put it on the rack. I have roasted these cookies a little bit extra. So the brown sugar, the flour and the butter, they all blend in nicely. Wow, the aroma, the butter aroma is wonderful. Yeah, they look much better now, much cooler. So this is after 10 minutes. We'll just place the cookies nicely right in there. So here you guys, your beautiful butter cookies just with 3 ingredients ready. This recipe is so super delicious, guys. Trust me, try this easy simple 3 ingredient recipe and you will be amazed just by the taste. The butter, the brown sugar and the all-purpose flour, and bake it for 25 minutes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you guys on the next video. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Until then, take care of yourself and bye for now. The crunch, it has the crunch though. Yum. Check this out. Wow, I just need a cup of coffee with that.